In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Drive folder with others. Whether you're collaborating with a team or sending files to family, Google Drive makes sharing easy, and you have two main options: inviting specific people by email or sharing a link. I'll walk you through both and explain how permissions work so you can keep your content secure. We'll start with the most secure approach: sharing with specific people. Open Google Drive in your browser and find the folder you want to share. Right-click the folder and choose Share. In the window that appears, look for the field labeled Add People and Groups and type the email address of the person you want to invite. You can add multiple addresses if you're sharing with a group. Next, choose the right permission level. Pick Viewer if you want people to only look at the files without changing anything. Pick Commenter if you want them to leave feedback without editing. Pick Editor if you want them to add, change, or remove files in that folder. When you're ready, click Send. The people you invited will receive an email with access, and they can open the folder from that message. Depending on their setup, they may need to sign in with a Google account to use the access you granted. If you prefer something faster, try sharing with a link. Again, right-click the folder and click Share. This time, go to the General Access section. By default, it's set to restricted, which means only people you've specifically added can open it. Change that to anyone with the link. Then choose the permission level: viewer, commenter, or editor, just like before. Click Copy Link, then paste that link into a message, email, or chat so others can open the folder. This is ideal when you need to share with a large group quickly or when you don't have everyone's email addresses. Anyone who has the link can access the folder based on the permission you set. A few important reminders to help you stay in control. When you share a folder, every file inside inherits that same access, including new files you add later. If you grant editor access, people can add or delete files, rename items, and organize the folder. Use editor only when you truly trust the recipients. And remember, switching to anyone with the link means the folder is no longer private. If that link gets forwarded, anyone who receives it can view, comment, or edit according to your setting. That's it. With these two methods and the right permission choice, you can share confidently while keeping your files protected.